Ms. Hurst from Hamilton County Schools. We're going to continue on our unit about a starry home. So our warm-up today is, does the future of the human race depend on space exploration? Why or why not? Pause me while you answer that question and then press play when you're ready to continue. All right, so today we're going to be reading a text called Future of Space Exploration Could See Humans on Mars, Alien Planets. We are on page 175 in the textbook. We're in the small group section if you're on Realize Reader Online. So I want you to go ahead and do a contiguous first read where you do the notice, annotate, connect, and respond. That's on page 174. So notice the general ideas, what's it about, who's involved. So just an overall comprehension activity. Once you've finished reading it, you can come back to this video. So for now, press pause, and when you have finished your contiguous read, press play. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at how the author of this text, whose name is Nola Taylor Redd, structured the text to get the point across. So authors not only consider what they want to write about, but also the best way to present that information. And in the future of space exploration could see humans on Mars, alien planets, Nola Taylor Redd has organized details from an interview she conducted with Mae Jemison and Adam Steltzner into a cohesive text. To develop the ideas in her article, she sets the text and background for the interview, arranges the details from the interview into a logical order, uses transitions to link ideas, and concludes with a strong quotation from an interview subject. What I'm going to do today is we are going to look at some of those things: the context, the quotes, paraphrases, transitions, and conclusion. We're going to find examples in the text, and then we are going to analyze how effective those were at getting her point across. So I'm going to do the context as an example for you guys, and then you guys are going to do the rest. So when I look at the context provided, it is, this part is interesting to me. In this article, former astronaut Mae Jemison and NASA engineer Adam Steltzner, see if it'll paste, it normally doesn't, it does not. Okay, so in this article, former astronaut Mae Jemison and NASA engineer Adam Steltzner discuss the future of space exploration and what is needed to make it possible. In terms of effectiveness, we're going to give everything a 1 through a 5, 5 being the most effective, 1 being the least effective. I think that this is a 4, so it's pretty effective. The reason I think that is this context information tells us who is being interviewed, which is very important to the validity of the article. It's an actual astronaut and NASA engineer. It also tells us what they were being interviewed about, which helps us as readers to wrap our minds around what was happening. Okay, so now that we know that they're going to be talking about the future of space exploration and what is needed to make it possible, it's really going to help us as we read to think that through. What I want you guys to do is look for quotes, direct quotes in quotation marks, paraphrases, so when the author, Nola Taylor Redd, says, like, this is kind of what they said, but it's not in quotation marks because it's not word for word. Transitions, where the author links ideas together. And then how does the author conclude this text? Once you've filled out the rest of that chart, you can continue on with the lesson. But for now, go ahead and press pause. All right, for an exit ticket today, I want you to think which of those things that were on that chart up here, context, quotes, paraphrases, transitions, and conclusion, which one did the author use most effectively, and why do you think that? This is where you're going to show me and your teacher what you know, what you understand. Once you finish that, you are good for the day. Have a wonderful rest of your day.